Look at that. That's good. That's cool. That's sick. Alright, and we're back at Motorama 2025. This time, let's check out this lowered Dodge Charger Scat Pack. That's nice. vskf wheels in white. Very nice. Let's check this guy out. This build is by @slammed_392 on Instagram. He's got an airlift kit, 3-piece. Not sure what exhaust though. Definitely good fitment. That is tucked. Very nice. Very nice. I think it's F8 cream. Oh, don't touch. Don't touch. Alright, so yeah. 392 Scat Pack Charger 2020 from Barrie, Ontario. Alright. Definitely a unique setup. Not bad at all. I like it. So definitely check them out at @slammed_392, @slamthesouth, @fitmentworks Inc.
Hey, did we get the van?
And @boostthenorth.
Or did we leave? Yeah. Alright, one more selection and we're gonna go.
That's awesome. Look at that. That's good. That's cool. That's sick. That is very cool. Very nice. Fitment works @slammed_392. My man. This is approved in my books. Really cool. Very clean setup. That's awesome. That, the rims, and everything else, nice, simple, clean. Can't complain. Anyways, check out these other videos. There's a bunch more air ride systems and the different Mopars. Check them out. Catch you guys later. Peace.